How Jennifer Garland and NotaryDash are helping modernize legal support services through technology. Legal support services have undergone significant transformation over the past decade as law firms, corporate legal departments, and compliance teams face growing operational complexity. Managing large networks of service providers, coordinating document execution, maintaining communication across multiple stakeholders, and ensuring timely completion of assignments now require a level of organization that traditional processes often struggle to support. Among the business leaders helping address these challenges is Jennifer Garland, founder and CEO of Prestige Companies. Through her work in legal support services and the development of NotaryDash, Garland has focused on improving operational efficiency through technology, process standardization, and nationwide coordination. Her efforts reflect a broader shift taking place across the legal services industry, where legal technology and field service technology are becoming essential tools for managing complex workflows at scale. Jennifer Garland's perspective on operational challenges. Jennifer Garland's experience in legal services began long before the launch of NotaryDash. Early in her career, she worked as a paralegal within the Washington State Attorney General's office, where she gained exposure to complex litigation matters and large-scale legal operations. That experience provided first-hand insight into the administrative demands that often accompany legal proceedings and document-intensive matters. Later, while managing a mortgage company, Garland observed recurring inefficiencies in coordinating mobile notaries and field professionals across different markets. Many organizations relied on fragmented communication systems, manual scheduling methods, spreadsheets, emails, and phone calls to coordinate assignments. As legal operations expanded across jurisdictions and service providers became more geographically distributed, those traditional approaches became increasingly difficult to manage. The growing complexity created demand for centralized systems capable of improving visibility, coordination, and accountability across legal support services. The growing complexity of legal support services. Today's legal support environment extends far beyond simple document delivery or notarial services. Modern legal support services frequently involve coordination among law firms, businesses, compliance departments, mobile notaries, process servers, field agents, and specialized document professionals. Organizations often manage hundreds or thousands of assignments simultaneously. Each assignment may involve multiple stakeholders, strict deadlines, compliance requirements, and status updates that must be tracked throughout the process. Several factors have contributed to this complexity. Expanding geographic reach. Many organizations now operate nationally rather than locally. Legal matters frequently require services across multiple states, creating challenges related to scheduling, provider availability, and consistency. Increased compliance requirements. Regulatory expectations continue to evolve, requiring more detailed documentation, tracking, and reporting throughout the service process. Higher expectations for visibility. Clients increasingly expect real-time updates and transparency. Organizations need systems capable of providing accurate assignment tracking and communication without relying on manual follow-up. As these demands continue to grow, technology has become a critical component of modern legal operations. How technology is transforming legal support operations. The rise of legal technology has fundamentally changed how organizations manage service delivery and field operations. Rather than relying on disconnected systems and manual processes, many businesses now use centralized platforms to coordinate workflows and improve operational oversight. Several technology trends have emerged as particularly influential. Scheduling automation. Automated scheduling tools help organizations match assignments with qualified service providers more efficiently, reducing administrative burdens while improving response times. Vendor coordination. Large service networks often require extensive coordination. Technology platforms provide centralized environments where assignments, updates, and communications can be managed consistently. Document workflow management. Digital workflows enable organizations to track documents throughout the service lifecycle, helping reduce delays and improve accountability. Real-time operational visibility. Modern dashboards and reporting tools provide organizations with immediate insight into assignment status, provider activity, and completion rates. Improved client communication technology platforms facilitate more consistent communication between stakeholders, helping reduce uncertainty and improve overall service experiences. These advancements illustrate how field service technology is increasingly becoming part of the legal industry's operational infrastructure. The development of NotaryDash. Against this backdrop of increasing complexity, Jennifer Garland recognized the need for a centralized system capable of supporting nationwide service coordination. The result was NotaryDash, a notary dispatch platform designed to facilitate communication, workflow management, and assignment coordination across a distributed network of service professionals. Rather than functioning solely as an internal operational tool, NotaryDash was developed as technology infrastructure supporting a broad ecosystem of legal and document-related services. The platform helps connect businesses, law firms, mobile notaries, field agents, and apostille professionals through a unified workflow environment. By centralizing operational processes, NotaryDash helps simplify many of the coordination challenges that arise when managing large-scale service networks. The platform reflects Garland's broader philosophy toward business operations. Throughout her leadership career, she has emphasized transparency, responsiveness, and practical problem-solving as core drivers of organizational success. According to Garland, effective leadership often comes down to being accessible, honest, and focused on reducing stress for clients and stakeholders whenever possible. These principles are reflected in the technology-focused approach that has guided the development of NotaryDash. Why nationwide mobile notary networks matter. The need for a nationwide mobile notary network continues to grow as businesses expand across state lines and legal matters become increasingly decentralized. Organizations frequently require access to qualified professionals in locations where they may not have an existing presence. Coordinating these services manually can create significant operational challenges. Technology platforms help address these challenges by supporting consistency. These standardized workflows help ensure assignments are handled according to established procedures regardless of geographic location. Reliability. Decentralized systems provide greater visibility into assignment progress and provider performance. Coverage. Nationwide networks enable organizations to access services in a broader range of locations without maintaining separate local relationships. Operational transparency. Real-time reporting and communication tools improve accountability and provide stakeholders with greater confidence in service delivery. For law firms and corporate legal departments, these capabilities are increasingly important as operational demands continue to expand. The future of legal technology. The legal services industry remains in the early stages of digital transformation. Emerging technologies continue to create opportunities for greater efficiency, scalability, and process optimization. Several developments are likely to shape the future of legal support services. Workflow automation. Automated workflows can reduce administrative workloads while improving accuracy and consistency. Artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools are increasingly being used to analyze data, identify workflow bottlenecks, and improve operational decision-making. Process optimization. Organizations are investing in technologies that streamline repetitive tasks and enable personnel to focus on higher-value work. Technology-driven service coordination. As nationwide service networks continue to expand, centralized platforms will play an increasingly important role in connecting stakeholders and managing distributed operations. Business leaders who understand both operational challenges and technology solutions will likely continue shaping the future of legal support services. Jennifer Garland's work with NotaryDash reflects this ongoing evolution. By identifying opportunities to simplify complex processes and improve coordination across large networks, she represents a growing group of entrepreneurs focused on building technology solutions that address real-world operational needs. Jennifer Garland, NotaryDash, and the modernization of legal support services. The evolution of legal support services illustrates a broader trend toward technology-enabled operations, improved scalability, and greater operational transparency. As organizations face increasing complexity, legal technology and field service technology have become essential components of modern service delivery. Jennifer Garland's leadership and the development of NotaryDash highlight how technology can help streamline coordination, improve communication, and support nationwide service infrastructure. By focusing on operational efficiency and centralized workflow management, NotaryDash represents a practical example of how technology continues to reshape legal support services. As digital transformation accelerates across the legal industry, platforms that support nationwide coordination and standardized processes will likely play an increasingly important role. The future of legal support services will be defined not only by professional expertise, but also by the technology systems that enable organizations to operate more effectively at scale.